Kenny Brown Performance's Race Duty Radiator Core support for 2005 to 2014 Mustangs is a direct replacement for the OEM radiator core support, but is 5 pounds lighter than the stamped steel factory part and stiffer than other aftermarket offerings to better transfer sway bar loads to the chassis. Where other radiator core supports are made from round tubing that can flex and twist, the Kenny Brown Performance Race Duty Radiator Core support uses stiff, square tubing with straighter load paths to the chassis, especially important when using stiff road racing sway bars. Installation takes only about an hour, and we'll show you how. Raise the vehicle and place it on jack stands. This is a lot easier if you've already installed a set of Kenny Brown jacking rails. Remove the factory cover panels and, if equipped, factory crossmember brace. Support the sway bar on each side with an elastic strap like this. Remove the sway bar bushing bracket nuts. Use a panel popper or other similar tool to remove the panel fastener from the side of the OEM radiator support. Support the radiator. Remove the 4 nuts and lower the core support. Some models have clips that hold air conditioning or other brake lines to the factory radiator support, so be careful when removing these from the radiator support before you lower it. Transfer the rubber radiator isolator and sway bar studs from the OEM radiator support to the Kenny Brown Race Duty Radiator Core support. Install the Kenny Brown Race Duty Radiator Core support and loosely install the nuts. Check that the radiator is seated in the rubber isolators properly. Torque the nuts to 85 pound-feet. Torque the sway bar bushing nuts to 70 pound-feet. If equipped, reinstall the factory crossmember brace using the supplied hardware. Using the factory under tray as a guide, mark the under tray mount brackets and drill a 9/64 inch hole for each under tray fastener. Install the factory radiator under tray using the factory fasteners at the front and the supplied self-tapping screws at the rear.